welcome to Veena's Beauty Tips. Today let's see how to make a Dutch braid. This is a variation of a French braid, so let's get started. So after combing the hair, I will go ahead and make a Dutch braid. It is similar to a French braid, but French braid is over, whereas in Dutch braid is under. So we'll just take a chunk of hair, a small section of hair, and just start braiding it to 3 sections. I'm going to just make 3 sections of the hair and just braid it under. And once you do a braiding on one, after finishing once, just take a small section of hair from the other side and braid it under. Now take a section from the left side or the right side and braid it as well. So we just need to keep braiding it. Okay, so I have now finished braiding till my ear section. From here I'm going to just do 3 braided hair. I'll continue doing a 3 braided hair. And now after certain braiding, I'm going to stop here, and I'm just going to put a rubber band after. Yes, so I will just braid till here and then put a hair rubber band here. Here we are. I'm going to do the same on the other side as well. Just take a section of hair. So you can see a very nice braid has formed from here. Just take everything together. Remove this. I think I'm going to remove this rubber band. This rubber band that's there. I'll just take it off. And braid here. And this is another one. I'm just going to bring it together on the back side. So yes, so I just tied it up together, and this is the finished look. So this is how it looks like. I just come the close up as well. So this is how the final hairstyle will look like. So it's a very simple hairstyle that you can try it out. Please do try it out and do let me know how it came. And also, if you like this video, please do give this video a thumbs up. Also do subscribe to my channel if you're new to this channel. And if you have any suggestions, queries or comments, please do post it in the comment box below and I'll try to answer all your queries. And try to make videos of your suggestions as well. Well, thank you so much for watching Veena's beauty tips. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.